Alright guys, so we was already here in one of my previous videos. We diagnosed a bad damper motor, Honeywell damper motor. So we're just gonna change out the motor and get going. So this should be a smooth call. We had to wait for the property management company to approve the repair. So they was burning up here so bad they turned on the cool. Got cool air coming out. Take this off. Trying to figure where it's at. Okay, so I got the Honeywell motor, but it's not the standard screw that's in there usually. So let me see if I can make it work. If not, I'll have to go get the new damper, the whole damper. We'll see if it fits it. If not, it'll be a lesson learned. Take a better look next time. So I took that screw out. Could have swore this was a Honeywell damper. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. So it does not have the screw in there. Does not want to come out. Let's see if it'll kind of match up. It kind of looks like it's the same width. So let's try to get this thing out of here. Okay, so I think it'll work. Just gotta find a way to take this off. This thing have a damn screw. Broke it, and the damn screw is right there. Wow, guys. I'm gonna put this on video too for y'all, so y'all can see my mess up. Damn. But I'm pretty sure this thing would have worked. Oh, what an idiot. Oh my goodness, what an idiot. Yeah, that thing would have lined up. Oh man. Damn, man. Now I gotta change out the whole damper. Oh well, guys. Oh well. It is what it is. We're gonna change out this damper. Oh man. See how far it is. Let's look up Apex Supply. 17 minutes. Oh, we 16 minutes away, guys. Wow. Oh, I can't believe it. Damn, man. Oh well, it happens. It happens to the best of us, I guess. But damn, man, that was a rookie mistake. That was a rookie mistake. Oh well, it is what it is. Well. So sometimes this happens in the field. You mess up, then you gotta take a drive. I'm just upset because, I'm upset because it's kind of an annoying thing to change out that damper. But really, I'm upset because I was trying to make it to a workout class I got. That's what I get for trying to rush. I could have got my 4-foot ladder and stepped up there and seen if it had another screw. But I didn't. It is what it is. It is what it is. Now I gotta take that, I gotta eat that. That's what you get. Hey, we all gotta show our mess up sometimes. I ain't about to show y'all nothing crazy like me blowing something up. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna blow nothing up, but you just gotta be real. You just gotta show what happens in the field. This is part of the field. This is part of work. So it is what it is. I done changed parts, and it wasn't that. I remember one time I think I changed the gas valve, and I think it was the board that wasn't sending the signal. So it was sending it, but it was shutting off intermittently. So yeah, it is what it is. You ain't always gonna get everything perfect, but I'm glad I got this on video. It's kind of funny now. It's gonna be a good video. See, he said he was gonna leave it under the truck for me because they were about to close. It's a duckboard plenum, y'all. Now I gotta mess with this plenum, this duckboard. I might have to go get some strap. I don't got this one on the strap, but we'll see. Let's see. Moving, but it's not, so I can't tell if it's because some part of it probably got mastic. Let me make sure I ain't got no other screw in here. It's hot, boy. Whew. That hot air coming out now. This is what happened. See, I thought it had the same size hex bit. It doesn't, so I broke the rod going to the motor, so there's nothing I could do. There we go. I have another drill that I use for stuff like this, but since I had this one here already, I just figured I'd use this. But this is more of my service drill. They don't really got, I mean, it got power for an M12, but the other one's an 18 volt DeWalt. I'm gonna show y'all it opens and closes without the duct. That way I ain't gotta check it after and blah 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 blah. So M6 is white. So right there it's open. Go ahead and turn this thermostat off. That thing should close right now. So there we go, it's closing. And that's what we want to see. We want to see this thing close. I will just let it open. Gosh, that's hot. And then we'll close it, but just make sure it closes again. I'm a double checker, guys. I double check everything. Alright, so there we go. I'm trying to make this a little neater, even though the previous people that came out here don't give a damn. Look at all this. They left a coil box, I swear, bro. People just don't give a damn. I'm gonna patch this back up with some tape. That's where I was troubleshooting it at. Y'all might not like that, guys, but I don't have enough slack on this flex to kind of cut that piece out. I need everything I can get out of that inside liner, so sorry folks. I mean, this is exactly how they had it, all kinked up like this. I didn't cut no liner. I didn't cut the inside liner, so this is what they had. They had it all kinked up like this. I gotta remember, guys, we work for these rental properties that they don't like to spend much money. So I just go ahead and put a piece of tape there just so it can hold my inside liner, and then I put the penduit straps. But yeah, guys, if y'all doing work for property management companies, all I can say is don't forget who you are, man, because sometimes when you see stuff like this, it makes you want to do it too. It makes you want to leave trash here. It makes you want to do dumb stuff halfway. Nah, let's not do that. Keep doing what you do, how you do it good. Do a good job. That way it's less callbacks. Okay, there's a finished product. New damper in. If this was new construction or a change out with a metal supply box, I would have put mastic all in here, put mastic on the inside liner. I used to do duct work and change outs, just install for about 4 years straight. That's all I used to do, or probably 5 years. So I like installing. Installing is like an art to me. I like to make stuff look cool, you know, neat, like the straps. But enough of all that, baby. Let's dip. It is 5:49, so I don't know how long I took here, but it's 5:49. I still got another place to go, so let's go.